The final heat for event 128, the girls then another 100-meter backstroke. Swimming on lane 1 is Jala Bukasan from Binarayan Head Coach. Lane 2 is Rachel Paseo from Copies Tribute Shots Swim Club. Lane 3 is Danila Ariel Tupas from Copies Tribute Shots Swim Club. Lane 4 is Lina Ledesma from Aklan Asa Sea Dragon. Lane 5 is Isabella Dominic Lama
Lane 3 deal. Go, 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 go. May tsansa. Hindi mo na ni tsansa.
Lane 7 is Isabella. Oh, Denise Isabella.
Deal, go deal.
Swimming Club.
Kuha ang silver deal.
Maria Pinel Abinido from Iloilo Starfish Swim Team.
Nakakagid dito? Balik.
No. Hindi, kaya niya na pababalik. Kaya niya na silver na nasa akong kaso. Go Del! Go! Go na Del! Dali! Oh, gina! Ubus na! Dali! Okay na, okay!